If 3 to power A is equal to 5 to power B is equal to 15 to power C, then 1 over C square minus 1 over A square plus 1 by B square is equal to. That is your question. So let us start with what is given. We are given 3 to power A is equal to 5 to power B is equal to 15 to power C. And you see on the right hand side, we want a relation in A, B, and C. Okay, there are only A, B, C are involved. So we want to equate each of these. It makes sense to equate each one of these equal to some number, say X. Now you take them separately, means if you take 3 to power A is equal to X, and you want to take 1 by A power on both sides, 1 by A, and X power also 1 by A. This A and A gets cancelled. You get 3 is equal to X to power 1 by A. I think this is clear. If 3 is equal to 1 by A, then you have 5. Similarly, you can write 5 is equal to X to power 1 over B. Why? Because you have 5 to power B is equal to X, no? So this means 5 is equal to X to power 1 over B. Similarly, you can say 15. If you take this equal to this, you say 15 is equal to X to power 1 over C. And well, you already know that 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So you can say 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. You want to write each of these number in terms of X. So 15, which is X to power 1 over C, should be equal to X to power 1 over A, and multiply it with X to power 1 over B. Well, you can see on the right hand side, exponent in multiplication gets added. So it becomes X to power 1 by A plus 1 by B. This gives you see on the left hand side, your X to power 1 over C is same as X to power. Their base is same. So you can say 1 over C is same as 1 over A plus 1 over B. Let's rewrite it now. What we got 1 over C. 1 over C is same as 1 over A plus 1 over B. And now see, this is, if you see on the left side, 1 by C square, 1 by A square plus B square. So it makes sense to squaring both sides. So when you squaring both sides, or when you square both sides, you square this and you square this also. That means you get 1 over C square is equal to, on the right hand side, it is A plus B whole square identity. So you get A square, that is 1 by A square, because in place of X, in place of A, you have 1 over A, no? And in place of B, you have 1 over B. So first square plus second square plus 2 times first into second, 1 by A times 1 by B. And I think you now, you can figure out, because we were asked 1 by C square. They want to take these two terms to the left. Yes, minus 1 by A square minus, in fact, plus, because we take minus outside, plus 1 by B square. And this value should be equal to, on the right hand side, we have 2 over AB. So we get our answer. This value should be equal to 2 over AB. That means B is the correct answer.